Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Jamaican Kim. So in this video we'll be preparing oven jerk chicken. So let's get in the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe. So here we have our chicken, and it's been properly washed with my vinegar. So these are all the ingredients that we'll be using to prepare our oven jerk chicken. So we'll be using some hot peppers, of course, garlic, onion, and some scallion, a little black pepper, some chicken seasoning, you can use any brand that you prefer, and some all-purpose. Let's get it into it. So in this we're gonna add a little bit of water. So guys, we chopped up all our seasoning and we're adding it into the blender. So in the blender we're gonna add all the same seasoning that we showed you, all-purpose, the Maggi all-purpose, or any brand of all-purpose that you like, a little black pepper, not too much, same as if you're seasoning up your chicken. We're just blending it, and some chicken seasoning. That's about half pack of chicken seed. And we're also using some of this all-purpose, and also some ginger. That's a very important part of the ready to blend, guys, and it smells so delicious. So we're gonna put over our chicken. All of that blended seeds to the chicken. So what I did to my chicken was I put some slice on it, so the seasoning would fall into the slice, so it will soak better into the chicken. And I use my fork and put some holes on the chicken. That way the chicken will be properly soaked in the seasoning. So I'm just going ahead and doing that to all pieces of the chicken. Make sure it's properly mixed so it's ready to soak. You're going to leave that in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Taking it out the fridge now, and we're ready to get into action. That's how it's looking after taking it out the fridge after 25 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna use that foil pan to get all my chicken on, just making sure that it's properly seasoned, this chicken is properly soaked, getting all the pieces dipped and place on my foil pan. If you want to season your chicken overnight, you can also do that. Getting all the chicken on the foil pan, making sure that the seasoning is all rubbed up, and it smells so yummy. Making sure that it's in the creases, see, so that way when you're eating, you're tasting all the seasoning down to the bone. Ready to go into the oven now. So in the meanwhile that's in the oven, we're preparing our sauce, our jerk sauce, like Grace Jerk seasoning. So I added like about half teaspoon of the Grace Jerk seasoning and the blended seasoning that I had to my chicken. I have some left over and I poured some in my pot to make my jerk sauce to put on. You can add a little water to it to get the texture that you like. If you want it a little bit thicker, you don't add any water. If you want a little bit more thinner, you add a little water. And to that I'm adding a little vinegar, like about maybe 2 cork or 2 spoonful. I also added 3 spoons of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar, but brown sugar is better to use. I'm just giving it a stir and leaving it to boil. So guys, I had to take my chicken out of the foil pan because it was having like a baked texture and I didn't want it to have a baked texture. I wanted it to be a little bit more dry, so I had to put it on this metal sheet. So we're checking on our sauce now, and our sauce is ready. Smells so good, and I put a little piece of thyme to bring up the flavor in it. So we're just gonna turn the stove off on our sauce. Our chicken is ready and it's been flipped. It's been done on both sides. So it's about time to add our sauce. It's been perfectly done. Not too dry, just perfect. So we're putting our sauce on. Trying to get all the sides of my chicken covered in my jerk sauce. Perfectly done. Remember guys, you don't want it to be too dried out or anything, so you're gonna leave it for 20 minutes on each side before you coat it with the jerk sauce. The thing is, the first batch of jerk sauce that I made it too thick, so I ran out of sauce, so I had to make some more. So our chicken is ready for the second batch of jerk sauce. They have already been flipped, so I'm just putting on the sauce. The second batch is a little bit thinner than the first batch because I had a little water to it, but it's still pretty tasty. Yes, so I'm just trying to cover all the chicken, the sauce. I wish you could taste it and smell it through the phone. It smells so good. So guys, this is the finishing look of my oven jerk chicken. Perfectly done, not too dry. It came out pretty well and it tasted really good. It's pretty easy to make, doesn't take too long, so you should try it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Bye.